Are you in search of a reliable and easy-to-install video doorbell? Look no further than the Arlo Essential Video Doorbell, a state-of-the-art device that gives you peace of mind and security at your doorstep. Setting up this wireless video doorbell is a breeze, and recharging it is even easier. The long-lasting charge ensures that your doorbell is always ready to work for you. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell delivers coverage for every corner. Thanks to its fast, wire-free setup, you can install it flexibly to get the perfect view from your doorbell camera. This product lets you see more at your front door. Whether it's a person from head to toe or a package on the ground, the 180-degree wide field view has you covered. Get a clearer picture with detailed video in HD with HDR. This ensures you see the details even in low light or bright conditions. With Arlo Foresight, never miss a moment. This feature captures video prior to every motion-triggered video recording so you don't miss out. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell allows you to respond quickly. Receive a video call from your doorbell camera to your phone and speak to visitors with clear, two-way audio, or respond with pre-recorded quick reply messages when you're busy. This product is reliable no matter the weather. It's built and certified to withstand the heat, cold, rain, or sun. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell plays well with others. Upgrade your smart home security system by connecting your doorbell to Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung Smart Things. With an Arlo Secure plan, get smarter alerts and take quicker action. Receive notifications from the security camera for people, vehicles, and packages right from your phone. Secure local storage options are available. Utilize your Wi-Fi camera and secure your videos directly to your Arlo base station or smart hub to view them anytime, anywhere. Why wait? The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell is the solution you've been searching for. Order yours today before they run out of stock. Check the description or the pinned comment for the product link.